Hi friends, welcome back. Today's video is very special for Hilux owners. Today we have got a Hilux and it was a 2 days challenge for us where we had to complete a lot of work, and it was all about the audio, the complete audio profile. It was all about the authentic lighting solutions. That was a complete hideaway product. It was a lighting solution update for the projectors of the fog lamps of the cars. It was the damping of the car fully. It was change in the alloy wheels along with the tires. That was a BF Goodrich tires. It was about the suspension lift-off kit, which was again from a Tough Dog, one of the fabulous product on the planet again. It was all about the rolling shutter, which was an automatic shutter driven by a hammer. It was all about the rear bumper with the lights, illusion lights, again by a hammer. So there was a mix and match combination of a lot of work, and the outcome is fabulous. Just to make it in small brief, friends, we have done the complete door damping in 3-layer in this vehicle. That is from the Dr. Artex. That's completely in Iridium series, along with the soft panel. This was the Dr. Artex Iridium damping series, which we have done for the 2 layers on this car. That is really make this cabin very soundproof. Also, we have added on this baffle damping, which is a foam sheet damping again from Dr. Artex. That really makes a difference in the noise of the car as well as the baffle. So we have installed an Alpine R series speakers in this vehicle, where we have complemented the front component speakers at 100 watts RMS. This model number is R2S652. It's one of the most powerful product. Again, it is a high-res audio product, so the resolution, the output is really good. We have used a pair of coaxial speakers behind. Again, this is also from the R series. This is at 100 watts RMS at 300 watts peak power. These are coaxial speakers which we have used it at the back doors. We have powered both the speakers with an Alpine R series amplifier. This is powered at 150 watt RMS at 4 ohms into 4 channel. To get the bass, extractive bass out of it, friends, we have installed this Audison APPX 8. This is an 8 inches active subwoofer which fits behind the rear parking seat very nicely, and the bass is extremely neat and clean. You shouldn't miss to hear it one. So starting, friends, this is the DHC Apple 45, which is a bumper projector lamp. You can check out the power. It's completely dark. This is how the lights look. This is a PL45 with a high beam and the low beam intensity. You can check out the high beam intensity as well. See, this is the high beam. So friends, the lights again makes a lot of difference. Along with this, friends, you can check out, we have installed the Hela bar light. This is a 20 inches LED bar light which is fitted behind the grille. The installation is absolutely done neat and clean. It is not visible, but the intensity of light is actually the product which is completely visible. So along with this, friends, we have also installed the shoulder lamps. You can check out here. So watch out the hammer rolling shutter. You can check out the remote. This mentioned hammer out here, it's completely motorized. You can see how smooth the function is. You can stop it wherever you want. You can use it again. You can close it by remote as well. So the functioning is absolutely smooth. So coming back to one more very exciting product is the hammer rear bumper along with these lights. You can check out, these are parking lights. This is one of the most sturdy bumper, and it really gives you a very huge look to the car.
tapas at the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now.
So friends, these are all the modifications what we have done on this vehicle. In fact, we are slightly more faster. There are a lot many other things which we have done on this vehicle, like the ambient lighting and so many things. But our main focus is on the audio and the lighting solutions what we have tried to showcase in front of you, along with the alloys, the rear bumpers, and so many things. So if you want to get your car done, do visit BAFNA Cars. We will give you all the informations along with the installation process in detail. Don't miss to come BAFNA Cars. Thank you so very much. Keep watching our videos. Please try to share these videos to maximum of your Hilux lovers. And thank you so very much. Thank you.